Okay, hi, I'm Tom with TNC Electric, and right here we're in the electrical room, and on this side right here is all the unit meters. They're all numbered per unit numbers and 100 amp mains. If anything happens and units need to be turned off individually, you can turn them off here. Over here is the main bank coming in. If you need to turn off all the meter at once, this will open up and you can turn them all off in this 400 amp.
We'll shut all this.
It will shut the whole bank of the residential meters off. On this side is the main. The main shuts power down to the entire building. 600 amp main, and then all these breakers are for panel A, panel B, the elevator, shunt trip breaker, and then the solar. Solar array can be disconnected from here, and this is the main meter coming in that controls all the main circuitry, all the building. There's your panels A and B that go for all the circuits. And then we'll have a circuit card put in there, which is going to have all these labels that will tell you everything that needs to be done. This is a temporary circuit card. We'll have a printed circuit card in each panel. This is all the building circuits, all the building forced air units and air conditioners that are on the roof. And there's panel A, same situation. The breakers that are off are spare breakers. When we get the panels, they're basically filled with breakers.
Just cut it. Go ahead.
This is the time clock for all the exteriors. Basically, it's on a early on, and it's set for a 10 a.m. 2 p.m. on, and then 8 a.m. off. So it's being controlled from a photocell. So when this clicks on, it's a bypass. You can turn on and off, and basically the photocell is controlling this time clock and all the exterior lights, the ballards, the front lights, and the lights on the building. Switch for your exhaust fan. Continuous exhaust fan. This is the fuse disconnect for the solar at the roof, and this is the distribution breakers for the solar. And this box is site lighting relays, which is all being controlled by the time clocks.
Go.
Right now we're going to demonstrate the GFI. This is a Levington 15 amp GFI. If you notice down in the bottom corner there's a green light. That means the GFI is functioning properly. This GFI should be tested once a month by the homeowners. Just make sure it's working. You push the bottom test button, it goes off. That means it's tested correctly. Push the top button, you'll hear a click.
Reset.
It's a reset, and the light will go back on. And that's a monthly test that should be done by all the homeowners, all the tenants, just to check their GFIs. Key is that green light on the bottom. If that's on, GFI is functioning properly. This is the sub panel on each unit. This is typical of all units. It's got a main where you can, at the unit, disconnect all power. You shut this off, all these breakers go dead. We have AC breakers, FAU, they're all labeled, and these are arc faults. These should also be tested, arc fault breakers, monthly by the tenant. You push that test button, it will go to center position. In order to reset the breaker, you must turn it fully off and then back to the on position.
And it will click and hold in place.
Correct. Smoke detectors are all interlocked. This is a smoke detector carbon monoxide combination. Each unit has one that's interlocked with regular smoke detectors in each bedroom. To push and test, you push this button. This is a smoke detector only unit. The center button is the test button, should be tested monthly. You push the button, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, all smoke detectors will go off in the unit. When you release the button, the test will be complete, smoke detectors will stop chiming.